Hello, it's Wondera Art here. Thanks for joining. Hope you've all had a creative week. Today I'm going to draw some fun little animal mashups. I had this idea of creating some little animal characters mixed with food and drink. In these cups I have animals like a cow, a whale, a koala and different foods like pineapple, a kiwi and gummy bears. And what I want to do is combine these and draw some interesting animal mashups. I'm going to be picking these out randomly, so I've got no idea what I'm going to draw today. It could be anything. A gummy bear whale, a strawberry frog. So what do we have first? Okay, a rabbit donut rabbit. These are going to be cartoon style today. I'm just going to try something a bit different from my usual drawing of animals. I'm thinking this rabbit is going to have a big donut belly, some sticky icing and sprinkles. Also, I'd like to use these acrylic paint markers. I think they'll go well with the cartoon theme. I was going to use Neocolor 2s. I don't know why they're still out on the table, so just ignore them. I've gone for a light brown rabbit. I wasn't expecting to get these layering marks with these pens, so let's go over this again and try and remove those. It's quite hot here today, so the paint might be drying a bit too quickly. Let's colour the donut in pale pink. I think I'm going to add a couple of layers again to get rid of the marks. We haven't got any bleed through, so that's good. I've been putting quite a lot of paint down. I think it's time to add the shading, outlines and highlights. I quite like the two nibs you get with these pens, the brush and bullet tip. They're quite handy for the details I'm doing. This video isn't sponsored by ARRTX. I've just seen other people using them and wanted to give them a go myself. The only thing I'm disappointed with is the patchiness, but it might be because it's boiling hot here today and they're drying too quickly. Let's see how they are on my second animal, which is a watermelon owl. Guess what? My camera battery gave up in the searing heat, so I didn't capture all the details I put in the donut rabbit, but here she is finished. So this owl is going to have a watermelon body and head, I think. Let's go for a grey-brown colour on the face and feathers. He's looking a bit mean at the moment. It might be his eyebrows though. I didn't try this too much on the rabbit, but the pens seem to be blending quite well on this owl. Still getting this patchiness though. They seem to be good at layering on top of each other as well. Ah, that red's lovely. So the main part of the body is going to be the inside of a watermelon and then going to put the green edge and feathers to the outside. I thought I'd give him a green hair and a gold beak and feet. Oh, and the eyes too. And here's the finished watermelon owl. I really like how he turned out. He's even better after I blended the shading under his chin after filming. Okay, next we have Lion Milkshake. Milkshake Lion. Now this one's going to be a bit challenging. I was thinking I'd draw the milkshake as the lion's body, similar to what I've done with the rabbit and the owl. It started off looking like a bear, but he does look like a lion in the end. I changed this so the straw from the milkshake popped out the mane, removing the lid and putting some milkshake splatters to the mane too. He's definitely looking like a bear at the moment. Now I thought, what goes well with brown and gold, and came up with blue. After I started colouring, it suddenly dawned on me that I'd never seen a blue milkshake. What flavour could it be? Blueberry? Bubblegum? I'm not sure if they exist. You can't get them here anyway. I did add in some purple too, but I can't think of any purple milkshakes either. I layered over and over this for a while. Yeah, this didn't really turn out like a milkshake, more a frozen drink like a slushie, I think. The last animal mashup today is a strawberry snake. Strawberry will be perfect for the snake's head, so I'm going to do that and maybe have some strawberry seeds on its body and some leafy green hair. I'm going to make this pink and use the red for shading. I've not really drawn any characters like these in my videos, but they were great fun to do for a change. I liked using the acrylic markers in the end, really the blending and layering you can achieve with them. If you wanted to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. Here's the finished snake after adding some details. Which one was your favourite? And should we name these little characters? Let me know in the comments. I'm torn between the watermelon owl and the strawberry snake. Let me know if you want to see another video on animal mashups too. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a creative week, and I'll see you all in the next video.